Pinky Artists. Today, we're drawing Suzy sheep having a muddy good time. Let's draw Suzy together, step by step, and bring this fun scene to life. Are you ready? Let's go! Suzy loves playing in muddy puddles, just like Peppa. With her bright dress and big smile, she's jumping and splashing everywhere. Suzy sheep's eyes have opened. I believe she enjoys what she sees. Suzy sheep is Peppa Pig's best friend, and they love jumping in puddles together. Suzy always wears her cute pink dress, even when it might get muddy. She sometimes gets so excited she forgets how messy muddy puddles can be. How do you think Suzy feels jumping in this muddy puddle? Excited, silly, or super happy? Suzy and Peppa often see who can make the biggest splash. It's a friendly competition. Have you ever played with your best friend in the rain like Suzy and Peppa? Was it fun? Great! Our Suzy sheep sketch looks fantastic. Now it's time to add some color to her dress, boots, and the big muddy puddle. Grab your crayons or markers, and let's make it super bright and fun together. Even when it's sunny, Suzy imagines muddy puddles to jump in. Her loud baa giggle is even louder when she's splashing around. Suzy's boots are perfect for stomping in puddles. She loves splashing so much that she says it feels like painting with mud. If Peppa and Susie play in Muddy Puddles, Mummy Pig always has a towel ready. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. Sometimes Susie's imaginary games end with puddles splashing as a fun finale. What do you think Susie Sheep loves most about Muddy Puddles? Let's guess together. Do you like splashing in puddles when it rains? Susie would love to hear about it. If Susie and Peppa both jump at the same time, who would make the biggest splash? What's your guess? Well done! Look at our masterpiece of Susie Sheep playing in the Muddy Puddle. Doesn't it look amazing? We did such a fantastic job drawing and coloring her. Susie would be so proud. I had so much fun drawing with you today, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Keep smiling and keep drawing.